Hello guys and welcome back to HotCuppaCrypto. My name is Jordan. Today we have chaos in the bond market, we have gold exploding, we have the dollar dropping. What is going on? So we're jumping straight into the crypto prices. The crypto market, we have Bitcoin at 16,600, Ethereum at 1,200 and BNB at $246. And the bond market is having chaos this week. We have gold exploding out. As we can see here, this is the gold looking on an upwards trend against the dollar. Gold is at 1,816 and its all-time high is 2,075. That is gold's all-time high, roughly around there. And so can gold break its all-time high on this huge rally that is coming up? Silver, we can also see silver rallying out at 23.9, and against the pound we can also see gold here is having a massive pump, 15.09 here guys. So gold is breaking out against the British currency as well. So you know, you want to be in gold, you don't want to be holding British currencies or any currencies, because you're going to be losing money to inflation, which is what gold is measuring everything against, right? Gold is really measuring every price against inflation. So the S&P 500 plus 1.5%, Nasdaq plus 1.7%, the Dow Jones plus 1%, and the Russell 2000 plus 1.9% today. Wall Street 30 index plus 9%. But look at the Nasdaq guys, it is dropping dramatically. It looks like it's about to break its support and have another leg down, because we did see Tesla completely collapse. Look at this week. Tesla stock, obviously the most popular tech stock with Elon Musk, everything. We have 121 on Tesla, so we will be tracking Tesla to see, and because that is a big indication of the tech stock market bubble popping. The dollar is at 104, so the dollar has been coming down, and now it is looking like it is forming a descending triangle here, where it will potentially break down here at the bottom of this triangle. And the US bonds broke out this week, so again, this is not good for the entire market. This is what's causing everything to collapse. We have the US 10-year 3.8 and the US 30 at 3.9. We also have the British bond gilt yields at, for example, the British 10-year gilt yield at 3.7, rallying up, really pumping out, exploding. Rishi is probably panicking. And the British 30-year at 3.9 going up as well. Meanwhile, we have the pound currency going down slowly to 120, and the euro at 106. So gold is breaking out against all the currencies, but at the same time bond yields are starting to rise up, all because of what happened with the Bank of Japan's decision last week guys. And we can see the US dollar again is starting to collapse here against the Japanese yen. Once again, the dollar is heading down, so the value of the Japanese yen is on that upward trend, heading up after the Bank of Japan's pivot the other week, which has caused this ripple effect into the US bond market. So we will be seeing what happens to these bonds. If they keep going up, we're going to see chaos. Imagine people's mortgage rates. The whole of the debt prices is based on this: mortgages, debt, everything you can imagine, and this causes the stock markets to collapse. So even though we have seen the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the Dow Jones and the Russell 2000 and the US 30, even the UK stock market here, even though we've seen them rallying today, we have seen the top 5 US indexes heading downwards ever since. And for example, the last few days we had like minus 5% days on the Nasdaq and so forth. So that is very rare, and that is happening, so keep an eye on that. Also, we have oil at around 77 right now. So whatever happens to gold and silver is going to affect oil going forwards. And just an update on copper here, we have 3.82 on copper. So that is the market prices. Follow us on the channel HotCuppaCrypto guys if you want to stay up to date with the markets. We always deliver to you guys the latest news. So these are 3 of the best ROI dApps in DeFi that have been working really well up until this point and doing really good. So the first one is Baked Beans 2.0. As we can see, like down here, we have this has just come out and just started, and we have made the deposit. If we check our rewards building up here, if you refresh that, you can see that it's skyrocketing every time we refresh it. So you can literally withdraw at any time, and you can recompound. If you guys want the full instructions and the video, it is on my channel HotCuppaCrypto. And we can see over here the BNB contract balance absolutely skyrocketing. It is crazy. 820 BNB so far. That is nearly like up over $100,000, and it's only the launch day today. So if you see this, you are early. If you want to check out the full tutorial and videos, it's on my YouTube channel, guys. We are experimenting, so you don't have to. We are investing in this and showing you guys how it works, so that you can do your own research in DeFi. And we have Yield Robot working really well. As we can see, we are creating about $5.09 on Yield Robot, and in between $6 per day basically on that. And that is a long-term running miner. And the total value locked, which means the total amount in the smart contract, is actually just continue to keep rising and rising. So it's going really well, and it's been lasting for a very long time so far. Then we also have this other new one, Bean Machine, and this is generating around 0.05 BNB per day, which is around $13 per day. And Baked Beans is going to generate more than all of them per day. So if you guys want to follow along, subscribe to the channel HotCuppaCrypto. We keep you up to date with that. And remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, guys. This is for education and entertainment purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. This is for DeFi experts only. This is DeFi degen, altcoin jungle type stuff. So always do your own research. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and be responsible with your own financial decisions. After all, that is what crypto is all about. Subscribe to the channel HotCuppaCrypto, guys, and we are all covering loads of brand new projects early before they are released. This is how DeFi degen experts find 100x gems before they explode, and brand new projects early in DeFi before anyone else. And as you guys know, in crypto, if you are early, then that is where the money is made. So don't forget to save this video. There is Dapp Radar, which is one of the best research websites where you can see new and upcoming projects. They have lots of different sections down here, including dApps, which are decentralized apps like ROI projects, new projects, NFTs, tokens, DeFi, even airdrops, guys, where you can receive tokens for free. If you want to find out more about that, follow me on my YouTube channel. Token swaps and portfolio managers, it's insane. You can even go down to all of the different categories, and there's games, NFTs, DeFi, BNB chain, and then you have rankings over here, where you can see like all of the top dApps that are top ranked at the moment, even on all different blockchains: ETH, EOS, Tron, Quant, Wax, Steam, BNB chain, Polygon, Avalanche, Near, Tezos, all of the top popular blockchains on here, where you guys can check that. For example, if we go to the main page, we can click on the BNB chain here, and then it filters all of the top dApps, top ROI dApps, for example, on the BNB chain, and new projects released at the moment. And there are even categories along here where there's games, DeFi, gambling, exchanges, collectibles, marketplaces, social crypto apps, and so forth, and even high risk here. So for example, we can go down here and we can see all of the top rated ones. So for example, if we can even go to high risk, and this is where we find the really high return on investments and really high risk dApps at the same time. And this is how degens can find this. The trick is to filter through all of this and then find the top, the most safest ones, and the top performing dApps. For example, you can literally see here on the right the balance of the total value locked in each one of these dApps. So we can see and verify ourselves, and you can click on the links and then find the smart contract and see the funds, how much funds each dApp has. And on the right we can see the volume here, which is the amount traded in and out of the dApps. And over here we can see the percentage growth of each of them. So for example, we can see Yield Robot is near the top here. We also have Bean Machine, which is second. And we can see here they both have plus green percentages, which means more and more value is going in and getting locked, which means more and more these projects are growing more and more, literally moment by moment. And you can track this here on this website, and soon we are going to see baked beans coming up fast in here. So keep your eye on that. But that is a great way to do some research about upcoming new DeFi dApps. Follow us on the channel HotCuppaCrypto, guys, if you want to delve deeper. We explain everything about DeFi and show you loads of DeFi quick tricks and DeFi tips. And remember, nothing in this video is financial advice. This is to help you to do your own research and educational purposes only, guys. but the trick is to learn as much as possible and build your knowledge in crypto and DeFi. Don't forget to save this video, because this is an amazing DeFi research app where you can get so much information. It is called DeFi Llama, guys, and I use this all the time. And you can see over here the total value locked across all blockchains in DeFi: Ethereum, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Optimism, Phantom, Kronos, and all of those. And if, for example, we click up here on the top left, you can do so much research and research all of these things. For example, you can research airdrops on different blockchains and forks, upcoming updates for each blockchain. For example, if you click on chains and we go down here, we can see there's Ethereum, Tron, Binance Smart Chain, Arbitrum, and Polygon. These are the top blockchains by total value locked. That means this is how much each one has in value locked on each blockchain. So and we can see the chart growth over here over time for each blockchain, and we can see which blockchain like overtakes each other. It's like watching Apple, Google, Amazon, and all of the tech companies in the past, like, you know, grow from being really small to becoming the biggest one in the industry. So for example, down here we can see Arbitrum is up and coming really fast. It has gone all the way up to number 4. So it's literally one of the top blockchains you need to be keeping your eye on at the moment if you want to research new projects and if you want to see what is trending in crypto. So for example, if you click on Arbitrum, then you can go in here and you can see the total value locked is 1.03 billion, for example, and you can check how much is coming in and out each 24 hours. So you can track the change each 24 hours. And if we go to the top dApps, if we go to the rankings here, we can see the top dApps, which means decentralized apps that are currently being used on the blockchain right now. So for example, we have like popular ones like Uniswap, SushiSwap, but we can see at the top here there is GMX, and we can click on GMX here and we can find out that GMX is a new decentralized exchange, very similar to Pancake Swap, Uniswap, like stuff like that, or a derivative exchange, if you will. And on the Arbitrum blockchain, this exchange has launched across many blockchains. But on the Arbitrum blockchain, we can see here the total value inside of this individual dApp has been exploding, which means people are using it more and more. And as you can see, more and more funds are coming onto here. So you might not want to miss out on the juicy opportunities available for trading, collecting fees, dividends, and interest here. It is a great opportunity to find out on crypto. And then you can click onto their website using those links, and you can, do further research about GMX website, and then go onto their Twitter and find all of the latest updates and see that they are an app that is developing even during the bear market, which is really exciting and interesting. If you guys want to find out more DeFi tips and crypto knowledge, then follow us on HotCuppaCrypto, guys, and don't forget to check out the YouTube channel. Even during this bear market, guys, we have coins pumping 50%, 100%. It is absolutely crazy. There's opportunities all the time in crypto and DeFi, even when the market is low. And to find one of the ways to find out when the next coin is going to pump is to come to a market. Is to come to a website like this called CoinMarketCal. So that stands for Coin Market Calendar, basically. And it is one of the websites that tracks all of the upcoming news and events coming up for, new tokens. And you can even filter by the top 100 coins up here. You can filter by DeFi coins, favorite categories, or you can even type in your favorite coin. As we can see up here, there is news coming out that is trending for Axie Infinity, Chili's, the Mina blockchain. You might have seen that in the top 100 coins, guys. And if you click on highlights, then we can see what is the most trending and events that might cause rallies in these types of tokens coming up to the event. We can see sometimes 50% rallies, guys, just from all the hype and the news surrounding a token. And this is often why it happens. So a lot of DeFi experts and crypto researchers come on here in order to find out what is happening next. We can even see that CoinMarketCal has handily shown us the coins with potential down here, and it has identified these top 5 coins, including Kryza, Mina Protocol, EOS, and Axie Infinity, that are upcoming with news coming up here, guys, that could move the market. So we can see they have all been upvoted and ranked on the right hand side, and these are the events in question and the date they are going to happen. So we can see December the 31st, and you can track this. There's loads more coming up. For example, we have Cote on the over here on the ADA blockchain, the Cardano blockchain. So, and these tokens and events, these tokens and projects can move with these types of big news events. For example, we have one coming up with Illuvium on January the 6th and so forth. So you sometimes want to keep your eye on this website to do your research, and when you are looking on each project, you can verify how true it is, because the community upvotes all of these posts. So as you can see, when it has thousands of votes like this, you know that it is coming up with 96% confidence from the whole community. So that has been verified by the developers and the community themselves on this website. So that is a little sneaky tip about how to use CoinMarketCap. Like I said, don't forget to save this video. And if you guys want to become even more of an expert at DeFi and cryptocurrency knowledge and research, subscribe to the channel HotCuppaCrypto. Remember, this is not financial advice. It is for education and entertainment purposes only, guys. Always remember to do your own research. Be responsible with your own financial decisions. That is what cryptocurrency is all about, and financial freedom. And I look forward to seeing you guys again on the channel HotCuppaCrypto. Anyway, guys, that will be it for today. My name has been Jordan, and we'll see you guys soon on the next videos.